Just a little spray of the Elite across the top of the flange. And you don't need to chase it down, just one little spray and it comes off without any problems at all. And I just give it a little spray around to get rid of the residue. And a spray of the Elisse to protect the skin. This stuff dries really quick as well. And that's it dry already. The other good thing about the Elisse is, as well as protecting the skin, gives you a good surface for everything else to stick back to. The Elite doesn't leave any residue that causes the bag to come away or anything. So the last thing, before I put the bag on, is always drop in a pearl. Takes up all the moisture. And the next empty, the odour is much better controlled. And in fact, even once you've emptied it, even if you didn't put another one in, the odour afterwards is still better. It hangs around in the bag longer than anything else, which is what we want. And that's it.